Hi, it's Esther here with my second top tip for your LinkedIn profile and how you can get more meaningful sales and leads through your LinkedIn profile. So let's just whiz into LinkedIn and log into LinkedIn. And what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how you can get a baseline measure for where you are with your LinkedIn profile, because over the next few days, I'm going to share lots of ideas and tips with you so that you can make your profile much better and stand out much more clearly on the platform. But we need to know where you are now to know whether the changes that we're making day by day are actually having an impact on your profile. So first of all, log into LinkedIn and then go to linkedin.com/sales, SALES/SSI. Okay, this is free. I'm a big fan of free. I don't pay for anything on LinkedIn. And this will give you what LinkedIn call your social selling index. So it gives you a score out of 100, and it compares you with people in your industry and people in your network. So you can see that as of today, my social selling index is 67 out of 100. You can see that I'm in the top 4% of my industry and the top 5% in my network. And then that 67 out of 100 is made up of 4 component parts. So the first component part is establishing your professional brand. So this is where you've got a complete profile on LinkedIn, but with your customer, your target audience in mind, and you becoming a thought leader by publishing meaningful posts. So you can see that's I'm on 19.22. And then the second one is finding the right people. For those, that's about identifying better prospects in less time using efficient search and research tools. So I'm scoring least well on that. I'm on 9.17. And then engaging with insights is about having conversations with people and growing your relationships on LinkedIn. And then my top one is about building relationships. That's about strengthening your network by finding and establishing trust with decision makers. So I'm nearly at the top part here. So this is wherever, it doesn't matter where your number is. There's no right, there's no wrong, but it's a good idea to have this as a baseline to start with. So go on it now, record your score, and come back tomorrow for my next top tip.